Well, we wanted to stay cool. I think we've accomplished it. Hi, babies. Hi, babes. Hi. Hello.
Será inevitable sonreír al ver resurcar los cielos sobre nuestras cabezas.
How's it going?
En cada uno de los impulsos de sus alas.
Holy.
Debemos reflejar la libertad que
It's all quail.
It's cool though that they do so much for conservation. Look, hon. Oh, it's
They're parrots.
yeah, it's the little green
It's a
ones.
scarlet.
Oh no, it's the red ones.
Oh my god.
Hello, babes. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hello, babies. Look at your chest. It's wild. What's the other guy doing? Just sleeping in a weird position?
He's on the nap.
Hubo un tiempo en el que este paisaje tropical, dominado por el verde
I wonder how old they are.
vegetación,
Oh,
estaba
1 to 2 months.
también de rojos, azules y amarillos intensos. Un tiempo en el que el fuego de
Look,
los dioses
15 to 30 days, huh?
de la forma de pájaros de coloridos plumajes, cuyas alas
They're so big.
1 to 15 days.
reflejaban con
Oh.
su vida la vida y el fuego de Xcaret Park.
It's cool. What do you got going on? What are you doing, bro? Relax. What? What is it?
Look. 0 to 3 days. Oh my god.
Was there another one in there? Can't really see it. I got too much reflection from that. I can see this guy though.